In this video, I'm going to show you how easy it is to deposit into your account using one of the integrated brokers on AlgoBars.com. Now, if you don't have an AlgoBars account yet, you're going to want to go to AlgoBars.com, log in, sign up, and select TradeXN. This is the one that we use for various reasons, but particularly because of the lowest fees in the world. If you're not saving on fees, you're going to lose a ton of money trading. This is covered throughout various other videos, but let's continue on how to deposit into your account. To register, you're going to type in your email and get a verification link, and then verify it through your phone or your email on your desktop. Either way, it'll direct you to the next screen where you'll type in your name, number, and all the other information to establish your account. Because I already have an account, let's go to login. Now you'll be connected on live or demo. We're going to switch to live. You can see we're already connected, and then go to wallet. Once you click wallet, you'll see your overview, deposit, withdraw, transfer between accounts options, and that we're on live. We're going to click deposit. Crypto or card. At first, we'll cover crypto. If you already have a crypto wallet, then you already know you can generate the deposit address, scan the QR code and send it over from your wallet, or copy the receiving address, paste it into your wallet, and send it over, and it'll fund your account here. Or if you don't have a wallet yet, I'll show you exactly how to get it set up. Now, to create your wallet and start sending transfers and receiving transfers, you're going to want to follow these instructions exactly how I'm telling you to do them. That means answering all the questions exactly the way that I'm answering, because as you know, you should have a lot of experience using cryptocurrencies, and this is the best way to get it. The transfer will auto-convert to USD in your account. So in that way, we're using crypto to transfer USD to our account, and we can get it back the same way. Because I'm in Toronto, I'll be doing it through e-transfer, but you can also use debit, credit, wire transfer, or any other option, as I'll show you here. So we're going to go to chicksx.com. This is the transfer site we use. We're going to go to sign in. Create an account the exact same way that you would create an account anywhere else. I'm using Gmail. You're going to get a welcome email that verifies that you have created your account. Now, before you make your first transfer, you're going to want to make sure that you verify your account completely, so that way you can deposit and withdraw the same way that you would on any trading platform. So you're going to want to click your name up here, go to verification, and we're going to complete level 1 and level 2. So we're going to click phone verification, type in your phone number. This will send you a code that you will be prompted to verify here to verify your number. Once your phone number is verified, you're going to want to go to ID verification. Once this KYC checker pops up, you're going to want to take out your phone and go to your camera and scan this barcode. That will open up the website link to complete your KYC on your phone. Or you can continue here on the web. I'm going to continue with the phone because it's much easier to scan your photos with your phone camera and take the selfie directly from the phone. So if you're looking for the fastest, easiest way to do this step, I would use my phone. I use my driver's license, but it also accepts passport. Once your KYC is done here, it's going to ask you to take a selfie and follow the steps to complete your KYC. It should take a few minutes, maybe a few hours, but for me, it took a few minutes. Once these three are verified, you're going to want to click additional verification and an address verification. In address verification, you're going to be asked to upload a proof of address in the last 60 days, such as a bank statement, to verify the address. I personally used a bank statement, but a credit card statement or a utility bill works fine. You have to make sure that your name on the account that you typed in here matches your verification IDs here, so that way it gets approved. It's an automated process, so you want to make sure you do it correctly. Once your information is verified, you'll see that they have turned green and your account is ready to go. And then once you're logged in, you're going to click buy crypto and select Ethereum. The reason we're using Ethereum is because it's faster than Bitcoin. You may already know Bitcoin, and it's just easier to use and it's cheaper. So we always want to use the cheapest option. Now I'm going to type in the amount that I'm sending in CAD. Let's say $10 or whatever currency that you're using. I'm using e-transfer in Toronto, so I'm using CAD. It tells me how much I'll receive, and payment method, I'll be using e-transfer. As you can see, you can use debit, Google Pay, Apple Pay, bank transfer, and many others that I don't even use, and so on. But we'll just stick to e-transfer. You're going to type in the email that you'll be using. The frequency we'll put at one time, and go to checkout now. And here, this is the important part. To send to our TradeXN account on AlgoBars, you're going to go back to AlgoBars, click deposit. You remember the screen I showed you earlier. Click Ethereum as the asset. Make sure the network is on Ethereum network. Generate deposit address, copy, and here you'll paste in that wallet address to send to. So this is the wallet address of your AlgoBars TradeXN account that your e-transfer will go to very simply. And then we'll click Pay Now. As you can see, the order has been created. Here's the information, and you're going to click Checkout. Once you click Checkout, it will open up the page for a standard e-transfer for you to log into your bank account, whichever one you use. And you can do this on your laptop or your phone. So I would choose my bank, for example, BMO, and I would click it and follow the steps. Once you complete your e-transfer, this page will say Order Completed. And depending on network speeds, it will appear in your AlgoBars account, showing in your deposit history here. And you can withdraw the same way using Ethereum back to your account in the exact same way that you deposited. Now you're sending it back to that account and then back to wherever you want to do a fiat transfer to. Remember, you have to complete your KYC in order to complete deposits and withdrawals. So get that done right away from your settings. You can complete it here, and that's it. You have successfully deposited to your AlgoBars TradeXN account. And you can manage your transfers by following the same process every time you make a transfer. Remember to always have the correct asset and network selected to make sure you send the cryptocurrency to the right wallet type as well as the correct cryptocurrency. If you send cryptocurrency to the wrong address or wallet type or wrong network, it is not recoverable. So always make sure to keep it simple. We just use Ethereum on Ethereum network. Very simple. If you want to educate yourself about other networks and different coins and stuff, you can send through others. Or if you already know, great. This is very important. So always send to the correct network and coin type. Now, if you don't want to use e-transfer, there's many other methods, including debit, credit, Google Pay, Apple Pay, bank transfer, and so on. Personally, I haven't used any of these, but just so you understand, the way bank transfers work is you type in the amount with bank transfer selected, and then you would send a transfer from your bank account in person as a wire transfer to this information here, depending on the currency type you're sending: USD, Euro, CAD, GBP, and so on. Also, depending on your bank account, you may already have wire transfers built in online. You can contact your bank to figure out if you have online wire transfers built in or if you have to go in person. I hope this video has been helpful, and we hope that you love using AlgoBars. If you have any feedback for us, you can always email us at support@algobars.com. Have a great day.